Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoStory app. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you'll search about the application of KakaoStory. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.